Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a belly shot. Here is a baby Jade, 38 weeks, 2 days, and Nana is weighing 7 pounds, 7 ounces. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, I'm finally gonna be showing you guys what's packed for Jade's diaper bag for when she arrives. Okay, I feel like Jade is being very stubborn. She's taking her time and she's giving me Braxton kicks and giving me the whole elbow, everything. She's all crammed up in there and it's just like the waiting game. Okay, so I gotta be prepared. So here's her diaper bag that Eileen bought her. So cute. We got it at Target. Very, very cute. And I love green. Jade, emerald green. It's cute. So, my birthstone is Jade. That's so cute. I didn't even think about. Okay, anyways, so here's the diaper bag. Oh my god, I'm gonna be like crying. Okay, so I didn't want to overpack. I've overpacked in the past before, so I've went through Pinterest, I went through Google, I talked to my doctor and I was like, hey, what do I pack? Talked to the hospital, and I don't want to overpack. So this is just her bag. I don't know, do a separate video, but I'm gonna pack and stuff if you guys want to see that, because I'm still looking for a really good Faja to Faja up after I give birth, because I always Faja up. It's really important to me. I never knew about it until I had my first. My grandma told me, my grandma bought me my Faja and everything, making sure that everything just stays tight after the baby. Okay, anyways, so open the first one, and in here is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna have a little hat, a little Jordan hat. I put in 2 pairs of socks. I know it might be like, hey, she only needs one. There's gonna be socks there, but I want to take pictures of her, you guys. I'm going to show you guys her. Oh, and I washed everything. That's why my hands are sanitized right now, because I was over here playing with my makeup. Here's a little bib, so when I'm feeding her, I can just be like beep, 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 cleaning her. 2 mittens, 2 pairs of the mittens, so that she doesn't scratch herself, because all my babies have always came out with really, really long nails. So even though they're going to be really soft, not even hard enough for her to scratch, you never know, you never know. So I put 2 pairs in here because they can easily just come off and boom, done, they're gone. So we have these 2 pairs of the socks and these 2 pairs. So cute. And then her hat. Put her little hat on, and then the bib. Oh, it smells so good. So that's in the first, okay? Then you're gonna open this. Open here. It smells so good, you guys. I'm like, okay. So we have a blanket. I packed her a really, really soft blanket. Even though there's blankets there, of course, I do want to have a blanket just so she can be all snuggled and warm. The next thing we got, this one right here. Snuggle her up because it's getting cold, you guys. It's getting really, really cold. So when we leave and stuff, depending everything, I'm putting her in the car seat, making sure that she's warm. Again, I'm gonna go off how everything is that day. Okay, I'm just gonna overstuff her, of course. So I got that. So one of her outfits, this one right here. See, so cute. I'm proof that miracles happen. So cute. And then I packed some pants. Look, just put on her. Imagine with her little booties and her little hat. Okay, and then little Jordan onesie that goes with the hat, the socks. And then I got this one. Look how cute that is. I love it. So here it is. And then this one goes over like this, so that she has 3 pairs of mittens. So it's like, okay, nice, nice, nice. I like it. And then last but not least, I packed this one. So I don't know if I will put her in the one I just showed you guys, that one, or this one. Again, we're going to see how everything is, and I don't want to, again, get her like too hot and sweaty and stuff, because we'll just make her sick. And that's all I'm packing for their diaper bag, because they will be providing diaper cream, lotion, wipies, diapers, chupones, and all that good stuff. When I was talking to the hospital, they said I don't have to pack like any pacifiers, wipies, diapers, any diaper cream, no shampoo or anything, that I can bring baby lotion, but they have the sample size baby lotions and stuff. Sample size should last me, and if not, I can ask for more. But I said I could bring it if I want, but it's not necessary. So yeah, I think this is it. And if anything, babe can always run home. No biggie. I just don't want to overpack. Yeah, that's it. Something simple. Get it done. If you guys are curious of what you should pack and stuff, I would definitely recommend looking on Pinterest, calling the hospital that you will be delivering at, ask for a tour, and if they have like a printout sheet of what they will have there and stuff, like to send you home, or like just ask questions like, hey, I just want to know, like, I'm packing for the diaper bag. Don't be embarrassed. They have these questions all the time. So yeah, so the next one I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be packing for me. It's gonna be a little bit different because of course I'm gonna need toothpaste, I'm gonna need to take pads and stuff. They say to pack the pads, but since I have delivered before, I need to pack my own pads because things happen after the baby and stuff. And yeah, and I gotta pack like undies and bras and stuff. It's different, completely different, you know. But yeah, I'm so excited. Nana is currently weighing 7 pounds 7 ounces right now, so I'm like, holy moly. Oh, and she does have another blanket that we're gonna put over her car seat. So yeah, I just didn't want to pack it in here because it's gonna be with the car seat. So I was like, I don't want to overpack and make this like all messy and stuff, because it's just gonna be a pain. Do you know what I mean? But yeah. The kid and you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.